In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a Loom recording, depending on your platform and preferred method. Whether you're using the Loom desktop app on Windows or Mac OS, I'll walk you through each approach in a straightforward and easy-to-follow manner. So, let's dive in. Starting with the desktop app method, if you're working on either Windows or Mac OS, you'll find this method really straightforward. As you're recording, you'll notice that the recording controls are conveniently pinned on the left side of your screen. When you're ready to finish your video, simply hover your cursor over these controls. Once you do that, you'll see the stop button. Clicking that stop button will instantly end your recording. This method is visually intuitive, as you can easily pinpoint the controls. Plus, it gives you a great way to ensure you're stopping the recording at precisely the right moment. Now, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for a more efficient workflow, Loom has made it easy for both Mac and Windows users. Let's start with Mac users. If you're on a Mac, just press Command, Shift, and L together. This combination not only simplifies the process, but also ensures a seamless transition as you toggle your recording. It's a simple and effective way to manage your recordings without the need to navigate your cursor across the screen. For those using Windows, the steps are quite similar. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and L at the same time. Just like on a Mac, this shortcut toggle is designed to start and finish your recording smoothly. It's a great option if you love the efficiency of keyboard commands. This method offers a quick and no-fuss way to bring your recording to a close. In both scenarios, using these shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity, especially if you're multitasking or switching between different tasks during your recording session. It's a handy technique to keep in your toolkit when working with Loom. Remember, the key is making your recording experience as seamless and stress-free as possible, and knowing how to end your Loom video effectively is a big part of that. Understanding how each method works on your specific platform can ensure that you capture everything you need without any interruptions or hassles. So, whether you choose to make use of the toolbar for its ease of visual access or the keyboard shortcuts to save time, both offer efficient ways to conclude your Loom recordings every single time. And that wraps up our guide on how to end a Loom recording. Thanks for watching, and happy recording.